Okay, hello everyone, my name is Liao Ming, an international student from China. I'm applying for the General Senate. And my manifesto here is my manifesto. I have worked in the student union for 2 years in China and have rich experience. I can discuss student issues from an Asian perspective, which will make our student union more diverse than before. And respecting your voice and doing best support for you are what I am pursuing.
Brilliant. Thank you very much. So the first question is, if you're elected, how will you engage with students to find out their ideas and opinions?
I think it depends on the situation. For the students, firstly, for the students who would like to share their opinions with us, I will broaden the channels to make it easier for them to share their opinions with the student union. For example, accept the email and our website. I recommend to set up some public opinion box in the main building of our school. So anytime when you have some opinions, you can send it to the box and we will check it in time. And secondly, for the students who seldom think about the student issues, I will encourage them to take part in the student issues. For example, I recommend to make some funny videos or even some comedy shows to remind them of the importance of taking part in the student issues. So finally, I want to emphasize what I'm pursuing is not only to respect your voice, but also to encourage you to think more about our student issues. Yeah.
Fantastic. Okay, last question then. What's the best thing about being a student at Bangor University?
I think the best thing here is the atmosphere and the environment, because it's very different from China, and I like the democracy atmosphere here. Yeah.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks.